First, to install this clutch, you need to make sure these three screw is tight enough. Okay, everything is tight. Then make sure the tools that you use is correct. This is the 23 tool, must be paired with 65 clearance primary. So this 23 must be paired with 65 only. Okay. And after that, before you put, you have checked several things here. The first one is for the 2T gear shaft. You need to, if it's still original, you need to grind a little bit down, 1 mm from original. Grind a little bit down, like this here is already grind, so it's shorter 1 mm only. And this one also, you need to make sure the rivet here is good. It's not too high from the rivet nail is not too high. It's flat like this. Must make sure it's flat like this, not too high. So every rivet is okay. Okay, then the shim need to use original one. Must be original correct size. The height is correct. Then we can install. It must be easy like this to put. If you feel hard to put it inside, maybe your crankshaft is not so good, then you need to smooth the crankshaft shaft first before put. If it's like this, it's okay. After that, put a nut. Only use a normal nut like this. The size is only 19 mm like this. Some brand made the nut is bigger. That one cannot be used. So need use only 14 nut, normal nut like this. And the bolt for tightening the nut also need to use a small bolt. It's only 19.5 like this. If bigger, the bolt cannot go inside. To tighten the nut, if you use manual hand, you need to stop the flywheel from other side, then use hand. You cannot put something here because it will broke the case. If you use gun like me, so it's okay. You don't have to stop anything. Okay, enough. So you will feel everything is okay, is correct. It will have a free play a little bit in the case like this, you know everything is correct. And the pressure plate also need to use only original one. Cannot use the bearing type because the bearing type is too high and will touch the bronze push. So only use the original plate. Okay, everything is done here. Nothing is stuck. Okay, here is the cover. The cover you need to smooth out the line here a little. Smooth out from here to here. Make sure everything is smooth and round. Okay, here everything here is just no need to do anything. Only smooth the edge here, the line here. The original one have a little bit high here, so you need to smooth or make it round. So everything is okay. Just then finish. We test the lever cable. Okay, to set the lever cable, you need to let it free a little. Half of the class, let it free like this. This is free, nothing here. This is free, not touching the bronze yet. And the lever also have free. Like this, the bush will not touch the clutch if you not push it. It should be like this. You cannot let it free a little, half or quarter. Then like this. Then it should be okay. Okay, it's done.